We nearly made a dream start within the first 5 minutes, but more narrowly missed heading Werner's inviting deep cross, a chance he likely should have converted. AZ was forced into an early substitution as Ruben van Bommel, son of Dutch legend Mark, hobbled off injured in the 12th minute. His replacement, Kasius, came close to creating an opportunity 5 minutes later with a superb cross that skimmed along the 6-yard box. Just out of reach for 3 AZ players. We controlled much of the possession, with the visitors from the Eredivisie sitting back and looking to counterattack using the quick Poku. In the 27th minute, Bergvall played an intelligent pass to set Werner free down the inside left channel. But his shot lacked power and was easily saved by Owusu-Oduro. Just 2 minutes after that, AZ had a chance when Mijnans' corner was met by Penetra's header, which Forster palmed away with a strong save. Soon after, Richarlison intercepted a pass from Maikuma, found Werner, but his attempt went wide on the stretch. The last action of the first half saw Werner's misplaced pass picked up by our former academy player, Parrott, who set up Kasius, but Forster rushed off his line to clear the danger. Just after the break, Moore, who had shifted to the left, made a fantastic dribble and pass that gave substitute Johnson a sight of goal, but his shot was. This proved to be only a brief let-off for AZ. A lofted pass over the top found Maddison and Bergvall in space as Bergvall prepared to shoot. He was tripped by Decker, and referee awarded a penalty. After some discussion with Maddison, Richarlison stepped up and converted, sending his shot straight down the middle past Owusu-Oduro. We had a close call soon after when Dragusin lost possession to Poku, who charged toward the goal but was denied by an outstanding block from Bentancur. In the 74th minute, AZ threatened again with Lotto breaking through, but Forster made an excellent save with his legs to keep our lead intact. As AZ pressed forward, they suffered a setback in the 86th minute when Wolf received a second yellow card and was sent off. Odobert made his comeback from injury late in the game, replacing Moore and nearly scoring, only for his shot to be blocked by Penetra. The French forward had another chance in the final moments after a clever one-touch passing move in the box, but his shot missed just wide of the far post. We extended our perfect start in this season's Europa League as Richarlison's second-half penalty secured a third consecutive win in the competition. The Brazilian forward, making his first start of the season, confidently converted the penalty, breaking through AZ Alkmaar's defense, a well-earned goal after a dominant showing with a rotated lineup. Having previously beaten Qarabag and Ferencvaros, we're now one of only 3 teams, alongside Lazio and Anderlecht, to maintain a 100% record in the new league phase. Additionally, we continued our winning streak in the Europa League at Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, with 8 straight home victories in the competition.